This is a short video to help you fix a common sunroof problem on a 2002 to 2007 Jeep Liberty. This may be an issue on other vehicles as well. My sunroof on this 2003 Liberty was not working at all, and then later was able to open but not able to close properly. Some videos I've watched show solutions to major sunroof issues that can take weeks to repair. So before you go do a full teardown of your Jeep's interior to get access to your sunroof motor or rails, try this simple 5-minute fix first. Step 1. Pull the switch down by using a flathead screwdriver or prying tool. Next, unplug the wiring from the switch by squeezing the connector tabs and pulling them apart. Once done, bring the switch to a place you can disassemble it and clean it safely. Step 2. You will need at least 4 wedges or small prying tools to unlock 4 tabs on the switch housing. Try to separate the 2 halves without damaging the tabs too much, since they usually get brittle with age. I struggled with this process until I figured out the right combination of prying and pulling force. Some of the tabs broke a bit, but not too badly. Once the 2 halves are apart, pull off the silicone cover to reveal the button contacts. Use isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip to clean all 6 gold contacts until any corrosion or dirt is gone. Use a dry Q-tip to make sure any excess alcohol is wiped off. Reassemble the pieces in the reverse order. Step 3. Insert the connector back into the switch, making sure you hear it click into place, and test that the sunroof works with the key in the run position. Try the open, close, and tilt positions, then push the switch back into its slot in the overhead console. This 5-minute fix solved my sunroof issues, and I hope it helped you as well. If your switch is beyond repair, I will post a link where you can get a replacement. Thanks for watching.